Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This particular video is to teach you about Alifun Mad, and it's also a response to a question I got from one of my students. Today being the 23rd of January of year 2025, equivalent to 23rd of Rajab of 1446 of the Hijra calendar. So she asked me about Alifun Mad and to explain Alifun Mad. The first thing you need to know about Alifun Mad is the fact that it is a part among the, it is just one part of the three parts of natural mad. Mad in itself means elongation, lengthening, if I can go. So, and there are three letters for that in Arabic. You could recall in my general rule that I told you that you should read as if though everything is joined together without a gap, except where you have elongation or you have dragging by nasalization. So elongation primarily is due to Alifun Mad, Ya'un Mad, Wa'un Mad. But today we want to take a look at the various occurrences or way of representing Alifun Mad in the glorious Quran. And we want to use Surah Al-Bayyinah, and that's why you have seen me opening Surah Al-Bayyinah to you. You can also open to follow suit, and if I'm able to also leave a link to this particular image I'm using, I can do that. If not, you can just open your Quran and follow. So I have 14 of them here. The first representation of Alifun Mad is with Alifun Maqsura. This is also an Alifun Mad, but its representation here is Alifun Maqsura. Therefore, you are going to recite by saying Min Ahlil Kitabi. Kitabi. You are going to read like that. If you say Min Ahlil Kitabi, you have truncated what? The Alifun Maqsura, which is what is represented here. The second one is also Alifun Maqsura, but on Ya. So, Hatta. When you say hatta, but some will recite by saying hatta. When you say hatta, you have truncated the words, you have removed the Alifun Maqsura font here. So another representation is with a clear-cut alif, as you have on the third example here. Fiha kutubum, fiha, that's Alifun Mad. And before it you have Ya'un Mad, but we are concentrating on Alifun Mad here. Wama, Alifun Mad representation. Kitab, Ya'un Maqsura representation. Illa, Alifun representation. Ma, Alifun representation. Ja'athum, Alifun representation. Wama, Alifun representation. Illa, Alifun representation. Then Hunafa, Alifun representation. As-Salata, Alifun Maqsura representation. Put on top Wa. So this is still an Alif, but represented by what? Alifun Maqsura. Wa yu'tu zakata, Alifun Maqsura, put on Wa. Wa dhalika, Alifun Maqsura, not put on anything. So these are the various representation of Alif, and what they denote is what I've told you. For you to elongate naturally for a span of like 2 counts, that will enable you to say Alif, Ba without you rushing. Alif, Ba. So that is just within a span of a second to 2 seconds. So this is Alifun Mad for you, and this is how to use it. I hope that is clear, and I hope you start applying it, and I pray that Allah make it easy for you, and I pray that Allah accepts this from us as an act of ibadah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.